Well, April 14th this year is certainly chillier than average, but we're actually warmer than the last three April 14ths. We also had snow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright tonight because we have, yes, maybe some snowflakes in sight, but some light rain showers. That'll come late tonight and in the morning tomorrow. It's also green, no change to the chilly weather pattern foreseen, at least for one more day. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Ooh-wee, our average high is 58. We only made 45 in here, Grand Rapids. Warmer where there was more sunshine away from Lake Michigan. Second day in a row, we came within 4 degrees of our forecast, but we track it within 3. So we'll try to get back on track here tomorrow. That's 2 days in a row below average, and we're going to put several more of these in a row after 10 days above average. Time of year when some of the fruit crops are starting to come out. These are the critical temperatures, as cold as 21 to as warm as 28 for all of those which are just now beginning to break loose. They're full bloom of the southwestern part of the state. But the good news is, looks like overnight low temperatures will not get to those critical levels. But again, slow development, and that's kind of good. We'll see temperatures in the low and mid 30s. The reason why we're staying cool as the upper level jet stream is what drives things down here at the surface, and that air is coming out of Canada from the west and northwest. So this is not a warm direction like it was at the beginning of March through the beginning of April, and that's not really going to change a whole lot. The good news is we're not going to see a lot of precipitation, although we could certainly use some. Mainly just cool weather. We'll be up to 47 here tomorrow and 56 on Friday. There we go. That's a little bit closer to average, and we're creeping up there. 58 on Saturday and still 56 on Sunday. But the cool air is going to be reinforced starting later in the next week. After hitting 61 on Monday, we're going to drop back down into the 40s and gradually warm up much of the rest of next week. Other than that, tonight we're going to see some rain and snow showers late. They'll linger into the very early morning hours, probably ending by 10 a.m. here at the lakeshore. And by 4 o'clock, you're going to start to see some sunshine here, a mid-40s, but it will be kind of breezy with a north-northwest wind about 15 to 20. You will expect some rain and snow showers in the morning here. They probably will end by noon once you get east of US 131. Highs only in the low and mid-40s, about where we were today. Wouldn't be surprised up north of Big Rapids, there could be a little bit of whitening of the ground. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, we're going to stay cloudy for the most part here in Grand Rapids until right around sunset. Highs in the mid and upper 40s, and it will be kind of breezy with those morning rain and snow showers for a couple of hours. 13 on your side forecast. Sun comes out on a Friday. We're up to 56 degrees, 58 on Saturday. There are going to be some pop-up afternoon showers away from the lakeshore Saturday afternoon, about 60% of the area. Back into the mid-50s on Sunday, plenty of sunshine, and dry on Monday until Monday night next Tuesday. We'll do that same thing, dropping from 61 to 48, and then we'll finally climb back up out of the deep freeze to average highs around 60 by the end of the next week.
Well, the weekend looks much better than tomorrow anyway.
Yeah, it does.
Thanks, George.